Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the camera preference on spawn in Hytale. Are you annoyed with changing your camera each time you log on to a world? Well, I have a solution for you. First go to settings and then navigate to the gameplay tab. Here, under camera at the very top is camera preference on spawn. What does it mean? It simply decides which POV the game will default to when first entering a server. Warning, a server may override this. As you can see, by the default it is set to the first person. You can use third person or remember last used. I will switch to that. And then simply hit Save Changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.